Hello student, I hope all are you fine. Myself Mukesh Gangwar, your physics teacher from Brahmdas Saraswati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Bilaspur. Dear student, this video for the class 12th, subject physics, chapter number 3, current electricity. This is the first part of this lesson. So dear student, today we are discuss about the current electricity, current electric current, and unit of electric current, direction of electric current, quantity of electric current. So students, what is the current electricity? What is the current electricity? Current electricity. Current electricity is the branch of science. The study of electric charge in motion is called the electricity. Okay, the study of electric charges, the study of electric charges in motion, in motion is called the current electricity. Current electricity. So dear students, you are understanding the study of electric charge in motion is called the current electricity. Which branch of physics we are studying? The moving position of the electric charge is called the current electricity. First of all, charge carrier. Charge carrier. What is the charge carrier? The free electron present in the conductor is called the charge carrier. What is the free electron? I tell about the free electron in the previous video. So the free electron किसी एटम के न्यूक्लियस कि आउटर मोस्ट सेल के ऐसे इलेक्ट्रॉन जो न्यूक्लियस के साथ वीकली अटैच रहते हैं उन्हीं को हम फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कहते हैं. इन फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के थ्रू ही इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज का मोशन होता है और ये फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन ही चार्ज फ्लो करते हैं, करंट फ्लो करते हैं, जिनमें ऐसी मेटल्स जिनमें फ्री नंबर ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट इन द सफिशिएंट, those metal are good conductor of the light, good conductor of electricity. Next, electric current. So dear students, electric currents current. Electric current, the flow of charge through a conductor is called the electric current. The flow of charge through a conductor constitutes or continuously. An electric current is called electric current. It is denoted by capital I or small I. So dear student, the flow of charge through a conductor is called the electric current. It is denoted by small I and or capital I. We can also set electric current in a conductor across an area held perpendicular to this direction. The flow of charge is defined as the amount of charge flowing across that per unit time. Okay, we can see easily the rate of flow of charge. The rate of flow of charge through a conductor is called the electric current. Okay students, it is denoted by I. The rate of flow of charge through a conductor is called the electric current. It is denoted by I. If a charge Q passes through a conductor in time small t, then the electric current flow in the conductor I is equal to Q upon T. I is equal to Q upon T. Okay students, I is equal to Q upon T. It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Unit क्वांटिटी स्केलर है, बट इसकी हम डायरेक्शन कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? हाउ कैन फाइंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज? देन फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you have a battery of terminal minus and plus. This is a valve connect in the circuit. डायरेक्शन कैसे फाइंड करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक करंट की? पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज. द फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज फ्रॉम द नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी एंड रीच at the positive terminal. Okay, and electric current flow in the opposite direction of the free electron moving charge. फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव पे आ रहे हैं, तो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट की डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव की ओर होगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर से इधर जा रहे हैं सपोज कीजिए, तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ द टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लोइंग, फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लोइंग, तो करंट इधर से इधर फ्लो होगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन you are understanding the how can finding the direction of the electric current. The electric current is always flow from the positive to the negative. Electric current always पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव की ओर फ्लो होती है. यूनिट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट unit of, how can find the unit of any physical quantities. Unit of Q, coulomb. Unit of time, second. Coulomb per second or ampere. Electric current is the fundamental quantity, so it is the SI unit of ampere. Okay. Then define the ampere. 1 ampere, how can define the unit of electric charge? 1 ampere. 1 ampere, we know that, so dear student, we know that I is equal to Q upon T. If Q is equal to 1 coulomb or T is equal to 1 second, then I is equal to 1 ampere. Okay, understand? If 1 coulomb of charge, 1 coulomb of charge passing through a conductor in 1 second, then the current through of the conductor is 1 ampere. If 1 coulomb charge, 1 coulomb charge flow through a conductor, in 1 second, then the electric current passing through the conductor is 1 ampere. Okay students, if किसी भी कंडक्टर से 1 सेकेंड में 1 कूलम्ब चार्ज फ्लो हो रहा है, तो उसमें जो फ्लो होने वाली करंट होगी वो कितनी होगी? 1 एम्पियर होगी. अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, करंट डेंसिटी. करंट डेंसिटी, द करंट डेंसिटी, द करंट flow, the current flow per unit area per second of the conductor is called the current density. The amount of charge flowing, the amount of charge flowing, the amount of charge flowing per second through a unit area, per second through a unit area, through a unit area held normal to the direction of the flow of charge, direction of flow of charge, of the conductor at that point, of the conductor is called the current density current density. It is denoted by J, small j. The amount of charge flowing per second through a unit area held to the normal to the direction of the flow of charge of the conductor is called the current density or the flow of current at per unit area per second through the conductor perpendicular through the conductor is called the current density. The flow of charge, the flow of electric current per unit area per unit second per second perpendicular through the conductor is called the current density. It is denoted by J. If let area of the conductor capital A and small I current flow in the conductor, then the current density of the conductor J is equal to I upon A. If the area make a angle theta from the normal, then I is equal to A cos theta, J is equal to I upon A cos theta. If theta is equal to 0, then the value of cos 0 is equal to 1, then J is equal to current density J is equal to I upon A. Okay students, J is equal to I upon A. It is a vector quantity. And unit of the current density I ampere per meter square. Dimension of current density A upon L square, show L minus 2A. Understand students? These are the current density. Next topic, electromotive force. EMF of the shell of the source of the battery, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. The work done by the source, the work done by the source in taking a unit positive charge from lower to the higher potential, higher potential is called the EMF of shell. Okay students, and or defined as the energy supplied the energy supplied by the source in taking in taking a unit positive charge, a unit positive charge, once round the complete circuit, is called EMF of source. ठीक है. Okay students, it is denoted by capital E. It is denoted by capital E. Okay students, the energy supplied by the source in taking a unit positive charge once round the complete circuit is called the EMF of the source, electromotive force of the source. 1 कूलाम के चार्ज को सर्किट में, फुल सर्किट में एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक ले जाने में जो एनर्जी लगती है, जो वर्क डन करना पड़ता है, उसी को हम इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स ऑफ द सेल, इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स ऑफ द बैटरी, इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स ऑफ द सोर्स कहते हैं. इफ द वर्क डन, W be the work done in complete a unit positive charge of the complete circuit Q, then EMF E is equal to W upon Q0, W upon Q naught. Okay students, it is a scalar quantity, unit of the EMF, work joule per coulomb or volt. Okay students, how can define the unit of EMF of cell? Is the volt. Then 1 volt, if an electrochemical cell, if a cell supplies an energy of 1 joule for the flow of 1 coulomb charge, for the flow of 1 coulomb charge, 1 coulomb charge through the whole circuit, through the whole circuit, then its EMF, said to be 1 volt. Okay students, If a cell supplies an energy of 1 coulomb for the flow of 1 coulomb charge, 1 joule for the flow of 1 coulomb charge through the whole circuit, then its EMF said to be 1 volt. Okay dear students, I hope you are understanding of the topics of that videos.